Hi guys, I have a multi-tool here, a Leatherman Raptor. Pretty nice and coloring from the package. Let's open it. Yeah, there is nothing else. The device itself and just user guide. Well, the device itself is quite big. There is a case for the belt here to hold it in your belt, and yeah, it's quite tough actually. Feels really good material. The handle is quite good, quite tough. There is a hard plastic around the metal, and this for holding again. Here's a button to lock it, I guess. You can push it and lock it. Again here. And there is a measuring lines here. Roller. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let's see. So here, yeah. So, here you have it, a Leatherman Raptor. Thank you for watching.